الا كتفرج في الامريكان انجلش او الامريكان شوز وما كتفهمهمش اش كيقولوا واخا كتفهم الكلمات، فاعرف بانك ما عارفش الايديومز. ايديومز هما expressions او لا امثله اللي كيخدموهم native speakers في الحياه اليوميه ديالهم. idioms هما مجموعه ديال العبارات كيتكونوا من كلمات كنعرفوهم ولكن عندهم معاني اخرى تقدر تكون العكس ديال هذاك الشيء اللي كتعرف. اليوم غنشرحوا الايديومز وغنعرفوا اشنو المعنى ديالهم وكيفاش كيخدموهم النيتيف سبيكرز. من اليوم الا سمعتي هاد الايديومز غتولي كتفهم المعنى ديالهم. والايديوم الاول اللي عندنا get out of hand. get out of hand هذا الايديوم كيخدم في وسط جمله اللي كيعني get out of control. يعني الا فقدتي السيطره على شي حاجه you say we need to stop this before it gets out of hand.
It really got out of hand.
But now it's got completely out of hand.
It's gotten way out of hand, my man. Got way out of hand.
Things really got out of hand.
Things got out of hand.
Get your act together. Get your act together. It means كتعني يا إما خدم مزيان يا إما سير فحالك. For example, we have to get our act together. يعني we have to organize ourselves.
Get your act together.
You gotta get your act together.
Get your act together, Brown.
Give someone the benefit of the doubt. For example, give him the benefit of the doubt. هذا الاكسبريشن كيخدم في وسط جمله كنستعملوا هذا الايديوم الا صدقنا شي واحد واخا ما كناش واثقين او لا عندنا شكوك. I decided to give her the benefit of the doubt even I was a little skeptical.
I think we should give him the benefit of the doubt, Robin.
No, I'm giving Jonah the benefit of the doubt.
I want to give my cousin the benefit of the doubt.
I was giving you the benefit of the doubt.
Go back to the drawing board. Go back to the drawing board. هذا الايديوم كيخدم في وسط جمله وكنقصدوا به ان خصك تعاود عاوتاني من الاول. The strategy didn't work. Let's go to the drawing board.
Back to the drawing board, Montgomery.
Go back to the drawing board on the 112th.
All right, everyone, it's back to the drawing board.
Back to the drawing board, I guess. Or not.
Hang in there. Hang in there. هذا الايديوم كيعطينا معنى واخا خدمناه بوحدو. Hang in there اللي كيعني ما تستسلمش لا تستسلم. For example, I know studying for exams is hard, but hang in there. It'll be over soon and you will feel so relieved.
Hang in there.
I'm coming. Hang in there. Hang in there.
Just hang in there.
Hit the sack. Hit the sack. هذا واحد expression ولا واحد idiom اللي كيعني go to sleep أو لا go to bed. For example, I'm exhausted and I'm going to hit the sack.
Well, I'm gonna hit the sack. Big day tomorrow.
Everyone. But I am beat. I gotta hit the sack.
Oh, well. I guess I'll hit the sack. Yeah.
Now, come on. Hit the sack.
It's not rocket science. It's not rocket science. اللي كتعني it's not complicated. ولا هادشي راه معقدش راه ساهل. كتعني it's very easy. It's very simple. It's not complicated. For example, why are you struggling with the recipe? It's not rocket science. You just mix the ingredients.
It's not rocket science, Will.
No. Whatever it is. It's not rocket science. But it's hot, though.
Sheen, it's not rocket science. You just have to... Actually...
This is not a rocket science project.
Let someone off the hook. Let someone off the hook. هذا الايديوم كيخدم في وسط جمله وكيعني بانك بلا ما تحمل شي واحد المسؤوليه. For example, the company tried to let the executive off the hook for the scandal.
Just let him off the hook on this one.
I'll let myself off the hook.
That's letting yourself off the hook again.
Make a long story short. Make a long story short. هذا الايديوم كيخدم في وسط جمله وكنستعملوه باش نقولوا المختصر بدون تفاصيل.
To make a long story short.
Make a long story short.
Look, to make a long story short.
Miss the boat. Miss the boat. هذا الايديوم كيتخدم في وسط الجمله وكنقصدوا به بانك تعطلتي. You missed the boat. تعطلتي. You're late. For example, she missed the boat on buying that stock when it was cheap, but now it's worth a fortune.
Kind of missed the boat on that.
Missed the boat, or should have.
No pain, no gain. هذا واحد الاكسبريشن اللي معروف عند صحاب جيم اللي كيعني راه الا ما كاينش الالم راه ما كايناش الاستفاده. شكون اللي متفق مع هذا الايديوم؟
No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain.
What pain?
No pain, no gain, right?
No pain, no gain.
pull someone's leg. pull someone's leg. هذا الاكسبريشن كيخدم في وسط جملة وكيعني to joke with someone، يعني غير كتمازحو. For example, don't worry, I'm just pulling your leg. Don't worry, I'm just pulling your leg. I'm just kidding. أو لا I'm just joking.
Come on, Ma. Who's pulling your leg?
I'm pretty sure they were pulling your leg.
You're kidding! I'm just pulling your legs. Come on over to the register.
إلا خدمتي هاد الاكسبريشنز فراه غتطلع المستوى ديالك في الانجليزي. وإلا عندك شي اكسبريشن أولا شي ايديم ما فهمتيش المعنى ديالو كتبوا لي في الكومنتس وغنديرو في الفيديوهات اللي جايين. وإلا استفدتي من الفيديو share it with your friend, hit the like and subscribe and see you in the next video.